Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, let's look up to another concept in C programming, that is loop control instructions. This is one of the most basic method that is used in the C programming language in order to check the conditions. I'll give one scenario. Suppose if you want to check one condition several number of times, instead of writing it repeatedly, it's a waste of time, is it not? So in order to save our time as well as to shortcut the methods, these loop control statements are used. So that is the main thing of loops. Okay, that is nothing but loop, repeating. Loop itself, it suggests that it is repeating. The condition has to repeat until it satisfies the condition. If the condition will be satisfied, then after checking the condition several number of times, obviously one condition will be satisfied, is it not? So after satisfying that condition, it will automatically come out of that loop. So this is the main advantage of using loops in any of the programming language, and not only in C, these loops are also present in Java, C++, Python, and there is a bit a difference over there. So in loops, the definition of loops is, in order to check, this is not the exact definition, this is the general definition. In order to check one condition for several number of times, we use loop control instructions. So in this loop control instructions, there are three ways. There are while statement, for statement, and do while statement. So each of the syntaxes are different, but the purpose is same, that is to check the condition several number of times, to loop the condition several number of times for it to be successful. And if once the condition is satisfied, then it will automatically come out of that loop. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is the general instruction for loop control instructions. So in the next video, we will discuss in detail about while statement, for statement, and do while statement, along with the flowchart and example program, so that you will understand better. I hope you understood what are loops and what are the three ways of doing a loop. So meet you all in the next video. Have fun in learning, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy day. Happy learning.